Welcome back to Bespoke Edit. I've got one of the George Cleverley's screwed down onto this board. If we look at see it's sitting nice. Look at this, it's massively twisted. It's supposed to sit completely, the heel isn't sitting quite right. I'll probably tie something around here, put a little bit more tension on there, but that is the wrong heel. So I'll get this area where it touches the pavement correct, I'll get it set, then I'll make the new heel fit. But yeah, look at this, it's all, there's 25 millimeters, it's a real mess. So let's see if I can do this on camera. I'm just putting screws through the loops, but it's an awful fiddle, so I'll probably end up leaning over and getting in the way of the camera. There we go. It's taken me about 15 minutes to screw the other one on. I've done the toe. I've not got the screws are not very good. These are just things I've found lying about. That one's lost all its head, and the screwdriver's not very good. Most of my tools are in my car actually. BLC above the jag, and it's a major restoration project. There we go. Let's just screw it up and down in. There we go. So yeah, I'll screw all the toes down first, get that nice and fixed. Then it does leave the heel sticking up, but I can pull that down afterwards. You see, there's a huge amount of distortion. I've had distorted shoes before, never this severely distorted. And these are nice shoes, very nice shoes, so they're worth going to all this effort, because it is a lot of effort. But certain shoes are worth the effort. Most are not. Come on, I could do with some slightly longer screws actually. I just brought what I could, but that was a little bit short. No, they're all a bit short. I'll make this work, but you get the idea. It's a huge fiddle. Let's just get that away from the fudging and the welting. There we go. But even if it does mark the welting slightly, it's barely going to be noticed, to be honest. So these are heavily textured shoes. They're old shoes, and a few marks here and there on the welting or the fudging will be less offensive than the total horrendous distortion. There we go. So you can see that's lifted up ridiculously, but we'll get another screw in here. I know what's wrong. I haven't got the tree in. That's not helping. There we go. Let's just pop that tree in. Save any trouble at all. And I've got an audience, some ladies standing watching outside. That's fine to watch, but sometimes when I'm making these videos, people start banging on the window or they walk in wanting to talk when I'm making this video, and that's the problem when you work in the public like this. I am in the salon. If customers come, that's fine, but I don't know, I find it very irritating when people just come in for a chat when I'm actually filming and the film gets ruined. Never mind. There we go. Is that going in? Yes, it is. Ooh, just push that forward a touch. It's just about to clip the toe cap. There we go. Right, so that's another one. I'm not going to bore you with doing too much, but you get the idea. I'll get another one in here, another one in there. Then I'll just leave them saturated. They're completely saturated. They've been sitting in water, about a centimetre of water, soaking it into the welting, and I've had about half a litre inside. They are saturated, but no harm will come to this skin. They will be absolutely fine, but I'm convinced once I've let these dry, they'll come the right shape. And then we'll get the new heel on, and we'll fill that. Make sure that sits 100% on the pavement, not cocked up like this. I'll finish this off camera because I really need to sort of lean in. I'm trying to sort of do it at arm's length for the benefit of the camera, but you get the idea of what this is hopefully going to achieve.